Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify Keap CRM integrations with Shopify. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Keap CRM account. Navigate to the Integrations section in the left sidebar. In the Integrations page, locate and select the Shopify integration option. Click on the Connect button to initiate the integration process. You will be prompted to enter your Shopify store URL. Make sure to enter the full URL, including HTTPS. After entering the URL, click on the Authenticate button. This action will redirect you to your Shopify login page. Log into your Shopify account using your credentials. If prompted, allow Keap to access your Shopify store data. Return to the Keap CRM integrations page to see the status of your Shopify connection. You should see a confirmation message indicating that the integration is active. To verify the connection, create a test order in your Shopify store. Check your Keap CRM account to confirm that the new order is reflected. If the order appears, the integration is successfully set up. If the order does not appear, revisit the integrative settings for troubleshooting. Ensure that both your Keap and Shopify accounts have the necessary permissions enabled. With these steps, you can ensure that your Keap CRM and Shopify integrations are functioning seamlessly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.